Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got some carrots, we got some garlic, we got all these seasonings, and we got some vinegar. Where is it? Hey, Mike Foster here, how you guys doing? You saw the intro, you know what I'm doing? I'm making pickled carrots. I have an old video where I pickled cucumbers to make pickles, dill pickles, and I'm gonna kind of do the same thing with these carrots. I love carrots and I love pickling stuff. It's fast, simple, and easy, but it takes a while. Putting it together is fast, simple, and easy, but then you have to be patient. So let's put this baby together. Pickled carrots coming up. These are nice and thin enough, so I'm not gonna have to cut those, but we have a few here that are a little thicker, so what you wanna do is kind of cut them just in half like this. Okay? Just like that. So they fit into this pickling jar. So I'm gonna finish cutting these, and then I have this garlic, I'm gonna put those in whole, and then I'm just gonna cut these like this. See that, guys? You know, little smasheroo, baba, and open these up so it'll spread that garlic joy. All right, let me finish cutting this stuff, and we'll put this baby together. All right, time to get going. So what you want to do is just fill this with these carrots. You want to fill it about 3/4 of the way because we're adding all this other stuff. Alrighty? Now we're taking the garlic, popping those babies in. These are the chopped ones. This is some mustard seed. Give it a shot. We need lots of salt. This is Kona salt. Where is it? There it is. And it's a really good salt. That's gonna take it to the next level. If there's not enough garlic, we have some garlic powder. We got some dill. That will give it that dilly flavor. Just for a little heat, we got some crushed red pepper. Just a little in there. We don't want to make it too hot, just a little. You need peppercorns, but I'm gonna put some cracked pepper. This will get plenty of peppercorns in there. Give it to him, baby. Give this baby what it needs. That should be enough. Some basil. Little ground cumin. That'll give it a little different tang. Fresh onions would be better. Don't have any, so we'll give it a little of this onion powder. And as you can see, we're filling this baby up. All right, nice. Now we have some white vinegar. I'm gonna fill this about 3/4 of the way up. And that's a big thing. And then the rest of the way with some agua. It's that simple. That's how it looks filled up. Now you can put the cap on. Screw this lid. Make sure it's vacuum sealed. I guess just sealed. There, that's pretty sealed. And you shake it up. O2 the car, shake it up. Dance all night, shake it up. It's got a lot of stuff going on. All right. Then you put it in the refrigerator for at least a week. And then I'll see you in a week and see how these pickled carrots came out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it has been 2 weeks since I put these carrots in this pickling solution, put them in the fridge. Now it's time for the big reveal. You can see they're a little cloudy, but let's see what they taste like. Hopefully they came out well. I've been waiting. My mouth's watering. Check these bad boys out. There's the top. There they are. You can rinse them off if you got too much stuff on them. There's some garlic on there too. There they are. Let's see what they taste like. Well, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Oh. Still got a lot of crunch, obviously. But the flavor is killer. Get that briny, vinegary taste. I taste the garlic. All those seasonings I put in there. Take a little heat because I put a little crushed red pepper flakes. These are, ask me if I like them. Oh, super good. You can pickle anything. And I just showed you. Killer pickled carrots. Try some pickled garlic. Oh, that's good. Nice and soft. That's not what she said. Oh. These are good. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Try all these try all these recipes. And keep living life 365. Until next time, pickle. Peace.
Live life 365.
Brilliant. Don't be silly. That's what she said. And now it's try some picking up. Try some pickled olive. Those are delicious. Sweet little baby pickle baboo.